So let's see about the compiler and interpreter, right? First of all, remember their name, compiler and interpreter. Both are translators, all right? Both are translators because we are human, right? We are human, right? It's you who writes the program, right? So when you write down the program, that's called source code. Please remember that technical term. If you write the program, that's called source code. So here it's already written, that written in a programming language by the user. So user means it's you. All right, just keep in your mind. Now what is the job of the compiler? Once you write down, then the compiler starts translation, means where your language into machine language. So machine language is what? 0 and 1. Please remember again, binary code. Bi means 2. 1 is 0 and 1 is 1. And in which it is also called as the machine code, right? And then it converts into executable file, means no need to do any more changes or any kind of translation, and it translate in one go, right? Let's come back to the interpreter, right? If you see the interpreter, the cycle, do you remember I have made the cycle over here? Why? Because compiler translate everything in one go, means in one step, but interpreter does it line by line. So source code, again, who writes the source code? Come on, think of it. It's you, right? Is the user. Is the user. You write down, right? You write down the program, but in a very technical language, we call it source code. Afterwards, what happened? Interpreter comes, a translator comes. Statement means your instructions, all right? Your instructions in a simple language, as well as now in Scratch, what are you calling them? Block commands, right? Commands, instruction. So interpreter, what it does, it interprets, all right? It interprets, all right? It changes one line step by step. Then what it does, statement execution. Again, what is according to your book? Here, if it finds the mistake, it fixes it and then only goes to the next part of the program. Means, for example, you have 50 line and it got the mistake, alright? For example, what is that? 50 line instructions or 50 lines are there in a program. If it finds the mistake in the second line, right? So what it will do? It will stop there, all right? It will stop there. And afterwards, what it will do? It will correct it, it will remove the problem, and then again it will start the cycle like this, right? Again, what it will do? It will pick the second line, it will translate, it finds the error, it will remove the error, and then it will go on. For example, I gave you 50 lines instructions. So what do you think? This cycle will run how many times? 50 times. So you tell me, whose speed will be fast? Compiler, who compiles in one step, or this interpreter who compiles step by steps? All right, compile or interpret it is all translator. Sometimes in programming language particular, compiler plus interpreter both are used together. All right, so take care and revise only the basic terms.